Welcome to a video demonstration of Berlitz On-Demand Plus. In this video, we will show you how Berlitz On-Demand Plus works and how the program helps students learn a new language. Berlitz On-Demand Plus combines self-paced language learning activities that feature interactive video and speech recognition with the opportunity for students to practice their speaking skills through live group conversation classes. Let's take a look. Students will start on the dashboard, where they can get quick access to the most important features of the course, the learning path, their account, and access to support. The learning path is where all their learning happens. Each level is divided into 4 modules. Students can complete the modules in any order, though we do recommend they start with Module 1 for the best experience. There are different types of learning activities in the Berlitz On-Demand Plus learning path. Self-study lessons include a range of activities such as interactive videos, speech recognition, drag-and-drop questions, and quizzes. Each lesson covers a specific goal. Review lessons are an opportunity for students to improve their learning by reviewing the vocabulary and grammar they have learned. Each review unit corresponds to a specific lesson. At the end of each module is a checkpoint, which gives the learner a chance to review what they have learned and self-assess their skill level. Now let's take a look at a lesson. At the beginning of each lesson, students can watch a video introducing the topic for that lesson. Each lesson is broken into rounds so students can easily see what vocabulary they're going to learn in that round. Within the lesson, there is a strong focus on speaking as most of the activities use speech recognition. Here, the Berlitz instructor presents the new language in the interactive video, while the student participates in the practice activity to learn the new vocabulary and receives immediate feedback on their speaking skills. Let's return to the learning path. Lessons turn purple when they are in progress, and completed lessons are green. Students can jump back into the lesson at any time to pick up where they left off. Just above the learning path is the progress bar, which shows the student how much of the module they have completed. Another tool that students have access to is our AI-powered learning assistant. Students can ask the learning assistant any question related to their course material to get helpful support whenever they need it. They can even chat with the learning assistant in their native language. Back on the dashboard is where students can access the events page. Events are where they can see the schedule of group conversation classes that are available. Group conversation classes are a great way for students to practice their speaking skills with other students and a Berlitz instructor. Each group conversation class is based around a particular topic. Students can reserve a seat in advance to guarantee a place in that class. Students can only reserve a seat in one group conversation class at a time. Once they have reserved their seat, their class will appear on their calendar page. When it's time for the group conversation class, they can use the Join Online button to enter the virtual classroom and begin speaking with the instructor and other students in the class. Now, let's see a real group conversation class in action.
Thank you all for coming here today. Welcome to the On-Demand Plus group conversation class. So please remember that in these group conversation classes, I'm the facilitator. I want to talk as little as possible. The idea is that you do all the talking. So let's go around the room and talk a little bit about what favorite product you're going to be talking about. Avijay, what about you?
I'm going to talk about my iPad.
Your iPad. Nice. Okay, Hector?
I'm going to talk about my watch.
Your watch. Okay. And Marius?
I think I'll be talking about my laptop. I'm spending my whole day with it every day, and I think it's a nice product.
And then I have another one that makes about 5 espresso shots.
But you don't drink all of them at once, right?
Doubles. I usually drink doubles.
So what attracted me to this product was the look of it. It really looks very sleek and, I must say, fashionable.
Gizmo, why don't you start?
Yeah, actually, my question's for Hector. What's the battery life of Garmin?
Oh, it's amazing. For example, I used to have a Apple Watch, and with the Apple Watch, you have to charge every day.
I've got one question, Julia. What's the electricity usage like for that device? Is it using a lot of electricity or is it quite good?
Oh, I never thought about this, to be honest, but I think it's not so much.
Okay.
All right, so thank you everybody for your attendance. I hope you found that enjoyable. Plenty of opportunities to talk, and look forward to seeing you next time.
Thank
Cheers,
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, everyone. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Once they have attended their group conversation class, students can continue with their learning path or reserve a seat in another group class. There is no limit to the number of group classes a student can attend as part of Berlitz On-Demand Plus. Thank you for watching our brief demonstration of the Berlitz On-Demand Plus program. Please don't hesitate to contact us here at Berlitz if you have any questions.